Okay, so this first one, this is the bad one because there's too much going on, like the theme and also the cursive. It's too much, and um, that and this does not follow the 6-word in a line rule, and there's just too much, and you could get confused. This one also is just too much going on. It doesn't really follow the first one either. Like, it's different font. And this one definitely does not follow the no cursive and the 6 words in a line rule. This one either. This one also. This is hard to see. You can't really see the words very. It's kind of small lettering, and also the theme is. The pink over in the bottom corner is kind of too much. Now, I changed it up a little bit with these next three. See how there's not really much going on. It's simple, and I couldn't really show you in the slideshow. I didn't know how to work it, but there is like a slow fade in on these. It's just more like organized, really. I can follow along easy, and also the viewers. This one also had a fade in, and the words faded in, but I didn't know how to do that. It's just also simple. Added a little picture here. These are all just easy to follow along. You can just see them very easily. This one, amazing views on the trails. This picture over here is actually from Lubbock over by Hell's Gate and I believe Mayor Park. But there's so much opportunity with biking. You can meet a lot of new friends. You can just follow along very well. The title does not meet the 6 words in a line rule, but I don't think that's like too big of a deal. But yeah, these first three are definitely not what you want to see, because there's too much going on and they're just very inconsistent. There could be like a blue line down here for the theme, but yeah, so that's it. Thank y'all.